Washington, D.C. is managing a major snowstorm alongside high-security events, including President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration. The unprecedented overlap of national special security events and severe weather is testing the city's preparedness and coordination among security agencies. Washington, D.C., a city accustomed to political ceremonies, now faces an extraordinary convergence of events. A significant snowstorm is blanketing the capital, coinciding with a series of high-security occasions. The National Weather Service forecasts up to a foot of snow by Monday night, complicating logistics and safety measures. This period includes 3 national special security events: the congressional certification of President-elect Donald Trump's electoral victory, the state funeral for former President Jimmy Carter, and Trump's inauguration on January 20th. Such a sequence is unprecedented, demanding enhanced coordination among the Secret Service, FBI, Capitol Police, and local authorities. The January 6th certification, typically a routine procedure, was elevated to a national special security event due to past unrest. Despite the snow, it proceeded smoothly, with security measures akin to a State of the Union address. Attention now shifts to the state funeral for Jimmy Carter, followed by inauguration preparations. Authorities are vigilant about potential clashes between supporters and opponents of Trump, with scheduled marches adding to the complexity. The severe weather has already impacted the city. Federal offices are closed, flights canceled, and residents advised to stay indoors. The combination of heavy snowfall and heightened security measures presents a formidable challenge to the capital's infrastructure and emergency services. As Washington navigates this unique intersection of ceremonial duties and natural forces, the resilience and adaptability of its institutions and people are on full display. The coming days will test the city's preparedness in ensuring safety and order during this historic period.